Okay, here we go. Box break. Today's Monday, March 12th, 6:03 p.m. Got a Topps Tier 1 box. Got a lot of teams that did not sell, so anything that's on a team that didn't sell, I'll be putting those up on eBay probably this coming weekend. So, all right, let's go. Thank you, everybody that did purchase a team. Thank you for getting your payment in a timely manner that I can do this. The auction ended, and now we're doing this box break today. So we got everything done. Okay, one pack in here. There we go. There. Oop, oop, come on. There we go. Let's get rid of that. All right, good luck, everybody, and probably get everything out tomorrow night, so it'll be in the mail Wednesday morning. So let's just move these cards around and get the things in the front and the back. And there. Oops, let's do this there. Okay, here we go. First card, Oakland A's, Reggie Jackson, 232 out of 799. Next one, Duke Snider, Dodgers, 649 out of 999. Nice Duke Snider there. Next card, also Dodgers, Clayton Kershaw, 196 out of 799. Next one, also, this is a Dodgers, Matt Kemp, 166 out of 199, Matt Kemp. And the first hit is not a Dodger, Evan Longoria, Tampa Bay Rays. And that is 55 out of 99, Evan Longoria. The next one, Brandon Beachy, Atlanta Braves. Beachy, that's a nice autograph there. Obviously number 37. He is numbered, serial numbered a 985 out of 999. See that up there. And the last one, the patch, is this way. And is it a Dodger? No, it's not. It's a Yankee, Thurman Munson. Thurman Munson, 381 out of 399 game used bat. Nice little piece of bat there. Okay, so got Munson for the Yankees, Beachy for the Braves, Longoria for the Rays, and then Kemp, Dodgers, Clayton Kershaw, Dodgers, Duke Snider, Dodgers, and Reggie Jackson, Oakland A's. All right, everybody, that's it for this break. I just want to let you know, box is going up. I've got a box of Topps Marquee. That's auction is going on now. Hopefully we'll have that break next week. And I've got a box of football for you football fans. Actually, I've got it holding my camera up. Gridiron, Panini Gridiron gear. And I am trying to get a box of the All-Impressive Tribute, 2012 Tribute, but it's hard to come by. Every time I get one, it's gone. So I've got a supplier, and he's hoping to get me some. So again, thank you, everybody, and take it easy. See you next time.